We are at the most exciting part, actually.
The future Frisco Public Library project begins a new chapter as the roof goes on and the mezzanine is built.
It's delightful to see that things are moving along. We're at the most exciting part because things are starting to come up out of the ground. Now, as you know, this was a repurposed project, so we had to rip a whole lot of stuff down.
Since the wall breaking last spring, structural work on the 100,000 square foot space has been the focus for the construction crew, as it transforms the former rocket parts factory into the new library.
After all, rockets are created to store the fuel to explore the stars, and a library stores the fuel to explore your imagination.
New walls are going up and concrete floor poured for a section of the mezzanine. That second floor mezzanine will add about 50,000 square feet to the library.
It's getting to be the pretty part. So in a little while, they'll start framing up some of the rooms, and you'll start to see the real form take place.
Since this project is repurposing a building, ideas for the library have evolved to fit the space.
As we've moved along, the limitations of the building have made it, turns out, better. Because by having these boundaries that control what you can and can't do, it forces you to be creative.
Parts of the existing exterior wall will be replaced with floor-to-ceiling windows, inviting in a lot of natural light. Different sections of the library include study rooms and a creativity classroom, a great reading room, children's space, and social stairs will welcome visitors.
I feel like what we've developed is what we promised the citizens we would give them. You know, a high-quality library with comprehensive services that Frisco can take pride in.
The library's new home is expected to be ready for guests in late 2022. You can follow its progress by going to friscolibrary.com.